Let's make a neckerchief face covering. You'll need one of your neckerchiefs, a coffee filter, 2 large rubber bands, and scissors. Cut your filter into a wedge. Lay out the neckerchief so the longest side is on top. Fold down the top 2 corners to create a square. Then place your filter right in the center. Fold your square into thirds. Place each rubber band around one side of the neckerchief, leaving about 6 inches between the two. Fold the neckerchief around the rubber bands and tuck one side into the other.